This is the Mech Wallet from PunCube. It's a fun, fidgety, mechanical wallet that's both practical and uniquely satisfying. Let me just go ahead and say that this wallet has become my everyday carry wallet. Honestly, I use my phone most of the time when I'm paying for things at the store or even taking the metro, but I do still carry a wallet to hold things like my license, a little bit of cash just in case, and a credit card or two for places that don't take Apple Pay. These are the wallets that I use to rotate between. Yeah, they're legit. But the Mech Wallet just keeps things more compact and it's just so satisfying. It's so good. Let me stop playing with this thing and give you a closer look at the Mech Wallet. This wallet is relatively small at 9.8 centimeters wide, 6 centimeters tall, and 0.8 centimeters thick. It weighs just 52 grams and is made of space-grade aluminum alloy. Being a fully enclosed metal wallet, it provides 100% RFID blocking protection. There's also a titanium version in case you want a premium version of this wallet. It's crafted with 0.02mm CNC precision, and its oxidized surface is durable, fingerprint resistant, and gives a really nice feel. It has a very sleek and minimal design with no screws or buttons in sight. So there are 3 different styles of the Mech Wallet. Each style comes in different colors, but also feature a different fidget mechanism. Fun fact, the idea of the 3 choices comes from the designer's 6-year-old daughter that's a huge Pokemon fan. Unfortunately, these wallets don't evolve, so that maxed out credit card is gonna stay a maxed out credit card. Anyways, what I have here is the Wasteland and Desert color. This has a pinball drive, and it's the reason I chose this over the other 2 styles when PunCube asked me which one I wanted to review. It offers a mechanical ratchet and offers a soothing click. It's so good. The next style is the Horizon, which has a slide drive. This features a zero resistance sliding system with return assistance. As you can see, the design of the wallet itself is smooth and simple as well. And finally, there's the Ripples that has a magnetic system with movement stages for tactile feedback. It's designed to boost control and focus. The wallet can hold 5 to 6 cards, and you don't have to worry how you place your cards in the wallet. Just put them in however you want. Now, after using this wallet for a while, I found that you might want to put your most used card in the back so that it's easier to get when you need it. The cards in the middle can be a little bit of a struggle to get out, especially if you have big hands. This wallet has an anti-drop design to make sure your cards won't slip out. Now, I was able to get my cards to drop out, but only with some hard force to get them out. I don't know what you're doing where your wallet is in this predicament, but if you ever are, make sure to make a video and post it to YouTube or something because I really want to know what you're up to. Each wallet comes with a stainless steel money clip that's detachable and reusable. Just wash it clean and dry it to reuse the clip. What's a nice bonus is that it comes with a 10-year warranty, so you can get free replacements of internal parts if you ever run into issues with the wallet. So there are accessories that you can get with the Mech Wallet, but you can't buy them separately. At least not at the posting of this video, because I wanted to pick up some MagSafe attachment, but they told me it wasn't possible to buy it separately. So before you finalize your purchase, make sure you get all the accessories that you want or may want. There's a bifold accessory, and yes, I said bifold and not bifold. I was told that's how you say it. That or I heard it wrong. Either way, this accessory has a large magnetic pocket in case you want to hold cash or coins. On the outside of that wallet is a quick scan card slot that can hold up to 3 cards. This is useful for those quick transactions like Metro cards, or if you need a card for easy tap to pay. There's also a MagSafe accessory so you can attach it to your iPhone. This is what I wanted, but yeah, I don't have it. And then finally, there's an AirTag accessory. It holds an AirTag obviously, but it also has a pocket like the bifold to hold cash. But yeah, if you're interested in the Mech Wallet from PunCube, you can check out everything they have on their site. Alright, I'm gonna go list some of my old wallets on eBay so I can pay off some of these maxed out cards.